All right, welcome back. Right here. In this video, we're going to get into the Sitelink search box. Okay, so you'll see again here, we clicked here and we've got Sitelink search box and they're all valid here. And, you can click in here, you can go in and look and see which ones are working, which ones appear in the search box and which ones don't. Now, with the Sitelink search box, essentially, when you go to Google and let's say you look up the homepage of a website, you'll sometimes see the little search box right there where you can search in the Google. How do I say this? When the website that you're working on appears in the Google search engine, you can search the site within the Google search engine. So there's a little search box that pops up and it's like, hey, what would you like to find in this site? And you can type in some keywords and it will pull up the relevant pages. And so all this is saying is that all 131 pages on our website appear in that search box when the search box shows up. And again, I'm not going to go hunting for the search box on this because it doesn't always show up. But when it does, all of the pages are going to have the ability to show up in there as recommendations when someone is searching the search box in this case, ClickMill search engines results placement. I know that's really, really wordy there. I don't know how to say that another way, so I'll try one more time. When ClickMill shows up in the SERPs, in the search engine results placement, so we show up number one for our own name, someone types in, say, ClickMill. In our listing within Google, there's a search box that says search ClickMill. So I'm not searching Google again, it's actually searching through the ClickMill site. And when they type in there, all 131 pages have the ability to show up. Okay, so hopefully that's clear. I know we're getting into some pretty serious jargon there, but that's what it is. Welcome to SEO. So this is the Sitelink search box. This is pretty standard, I think, with this point at this point with websites. Now there is a file that you can add in. So you can, for example, if you don't have it and you're working with WordPress, you can go in, you can do a Sitelink. I'm reading off the screen over here because I actually have this pulled up for you guys. You can upload a Sitelink search box folder within the plugins library. Okay, so you can go in, you can upload this file, and it's just going to index all of these. I'm sure there are tons of plugins as well that will just do this for you. And so for example here, see if we can come over to the back end of the website, give you guys an example within the plugins. So if I come down here, I'm going into plugins, installed plugins, and I just look up Sitelink search box. When this switches over for me, okay, Sitelink, going the wrong direction here. We're going to need to add new plugin. Sitelink search box, and I have not searched this, so you're going to just kind of see the process. Okay, Sitelink search box. Okay, and there's probably going to be a bunch of free plugins in here. This one's got, 4,000 different installations. It looks like that's probably something that's pretty good, if that is indeed, yeah, improved SEO ranking. So my guess is it includes a Sitelink search box. Obviously, this is a Sitelink search box. 5 stars, 3,000 installs. So either way, this is one of the ways you can come in, find a Sitelink search box if your theme doesn't already incorporate it into the files, and most of the time it does. I would recommend, you go ahead, if you're creating this from scratch, go ahead and just index the site. And if this is red, then go download a plugin and solve the problem. Don't try to solve the problem on the front end because you don't want to end up with 2 plugins and then have code conflicts. It's already in your theme and now you've got a plugin and now the site doesn't know what to do. If it's red, just go back and fix it. All of this stuff is live and changing. And if you fix a problem, Google's going to re-index it and then bump your rank. Okay, so it's not urgent if it's not there right at the beginning. So that's Sitelink search box. Thank you guys so much for being with me in this video. In the next video, we're going to move down to kind of the final couple here, and we're going to get into that, into links and then settings, and we'll wrap it up for this section of the course on Google Search Console. I'll see you in the links video next.